Daddy, what is pi?
Ah, that's a very good question. Why don't we ask Dr. Kaydee Rose Martin, professor here at the Martin Institute, to help us figure out what pi is. All right, to help her explain this, we have some ordinary household items, such as this piece of string, this ruler, this handy-dandy TI-84 plus graphing calculator that comes from Carrollton High School. I borrowed it for this experiment today. We also have this ordinary can of peas. Well, Kaydee Rose Martin's father has emptied the peas out with his voracious appetite. So this can is really a pecan. All right, Professor Martin, what are you going to measure to help us figure out what is pi?
Well, we're going to have to measure around this top of the can.
What do you call the distance around a circular object, such as the top of that can?
Circumference.
Circumference, okay.
So I'm going to use it with this piece of string all the way around. Now we're going to put it on the ruler.
All right, and tell me about how big do you think that piece of string is, or how long I should say.
Well, it's 22.6.
22.6 centimeters. Okay, now Professor Rose Martin is going to measure all the way across that circular can top. What do you call the distance across a circle?
A diameter.
A diameter, okay. Well, how long do you think that diameter is?
7.2.
Okay, well, I'm going to use this handy-dandy TI-84 Plus graphing calculator, and I'm going to divide the original number, 22.6, that was the circumference. I'm going to divide that by the diameter of 7.2, and we get, 3.14. Why, Professor Martin, what is that really close to?
Well, I think that number must be called pi.
Pi? Well, then what is the formula for pi? Could you write it on the board for us?
So, if you measure around some kind of circle thing, and you measure it, it'll be come to 22.6.
All right, that circumference for our can top was 22.6.
And then if you do it across, then it might be 7.2.
Why, yes, our diameter was. So the formula must be
circumference
divided by
diameter.
And what does that always equal?
Pi.
Wow, you mean if I take the circumference of any round object and divide it by the diameter, I always get?
Pi.
Oh, thank you, Professor Martin. You have made our day. No, wait, you've made our Pi Day. Thank you very much.